Now again we are solving some problem of indices. Now here is one problem. M raised to the power a divided by m raised to the power b whole raised to the power a plus b, m raised to the power b divided by m raised to the power c whole raised to the power b plus c into m raised to the power c divided by m raised to the power a raised to the power c plus a is equal to 1. We want to show that the value of this left hand side is equal to 1. Step by step we have the property a raised to the power m plus n is nothing but a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. We want to use this property here. We want to separate m raised to the power a divided by m raised to the power b raised to the power a into m raised to the power a divided by m raised to the power b raised to the power b into m raised to the power b divided by m raised to the power c raised to the power b into m raised to the power b divided by m raised to the power c raised to the power c. अभी यहाँ पर हम अगर ये फार्मूला यूज करेंगे तो फिर से m प्लस n बेस सेम है, पावर का एडिशन हो जाएगा, इनटू is equal to m raised to the power c divided by m raised to the power a raised to the power c into m raised to the power c divided by m raised to the power a raised to the power c a. Now again we have one property which property a raised to the power m divided by raised to the power n is nothing but a raised to the power m into n. Directly multiplication power का is equal to m raised to the power a into a divided by a into b into m raised to the power a into b divided by m raised to the power b into b into m raised to the power b into b divided by m raised to the power b into c into m raised to the power b into c divided by m raised to the power c into c into m raised to the power c into c divided by m raised to the power a into c into m raised to the power a into c divided by m raised to the power a into a. Correct? B C. Okay, a into a here, m raised to the power a into a, this and this get cancelled, m raised to the power a into b, this get cancelled, b into b, this get cancelled, b into c, c into c, a into c. All terms are cancelled here and it becomes 1. ये 0 नहीं आएगा, ये 1 आएगा क्योंकि 2 by 2 is equal to 1, 2 1 2. In the same manner डिवीजन में आता है तो 1. बहुत सारे बच्चे इसको 0 बना देते हैं, is equal to RHS. This is proof. Now we want to show that again. The value of left hand side is equal to 2. Simply you can use your own property. Left hand side is equal to a raised to the power m raised to the power n is nothing but a raised to the power m into n. 16 8 इसको जितना कम उसे कम इसमें रूट में लेके आए, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. अभी ये 2 raised to the power 3 is nothing but 8 and 2 raised to the power 4 is nothing but 16. Okay, instead of this 16 we can write here 2 raised to the power 4, and instead of 8 we can write here 2 raised to the power 3. Substitute all these values. A raised to the power minus 17 into a raised to the power how much? 32 into 8, 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 by 3 into a raised to the power 3 into 2 by 3 whole divided by 16 is nothing but 2 raised to the power 4 into 1 by 4 into a raised to the power 4 into 1 by 4 into a raised to the power 16. Here 4 4 get cancelled, 4 4 get cancelled, 3 3 get cancelled, becomes 1 cancel here. Okay, how much it is? A raised to the power minus 17 a raised to the power 32 into 2 raised to the power 2 into a raised to the power 2 divided by 2 into a into a raised to the power 16. This remaining comes is equal to a raised to the power minus 17 into a raised to the power 34 into 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 2 into a raised to the power 17. Now see here, we are using the property here again. One upon a raised to the power m a raised to the power n is nothing but a raised to the power m minus n. A raised to the power minus 17 into a raised to the power 34 into a raised to the power minus 17 into 2 into 2 square divided by 2. This 2 get cancelled. 17 plus 17 minus 17 minus 17, it becomes minus 34. Sign is the same, addition, give the same sign. Again, this minus 34 plus 34, it becomes 0. A raised to the power minus 34 plus 34 into 2. Again, it becomes 0. A raised to the power 0 is nothing but 1. Answer is simply 2 is equal to RHS. Very simple problem. Now see here, next problem. If a is equal to 2 raised to the power m and b is equal to 2 raised to the power m plus 1, then show that 8a cube divided by b square is nothing but 2 raised to the power m plus 1. Now LHS is equal to 8a cube divided by b square. But what is the value of a here? Here a is equal to 2 raised to the power m and b is equal to 2 raised to the power m plus 1. Then is equal to 8 into 2 raised to the power m raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power m, that is nothing but the value of a, and a cube, that is the 2 raised to the power m cube divided by b square. B is nothing but 2 raised to the power m plus 1 to the power 2 is equal to, again we are using the property here, a raised to the power m into n is nothing but a raised to the power m into n. Now this is 2 raised to the power 3. Keep it, right, no problem, it will get cancelled, into 2 raised to the power 3 m divided by 2 raised to the power 2m plus 2. Now we are using the property here, a raised to the power m plus n is nothing but a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to 8 into 2 raised to the power 3m divided by 2 raised to the power 2m into 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 3m divided by 2 raised to the power 2m into 2 raised to the power 2. यहाँ पर again a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is nothing but m minus n. Then simply यहाँ पर remains क्या हो रहा है 2, 3 minus 2 into 2 raised to the power 3m minus 2m. It becomes only m, 2 raised to the power m into 2. Now again using this property, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is nothing but m plus n is equal to 2 raised to the power m plus 1. यहाँ पर कोई नहीं मतलब 1 and that is RHS. This is the answer. Very simple problem. इंडाइसिस में हमें सिर्फ फार्मूले लर्न करने हैं. ये सब फार्मूले जो हम यूज करते हैं कंटिन्यूअसली, ये अगर आपको आ गए तो समझ लेना इंडाइसिस आ गया. Now the next problem is if 25 raised to the power x is equal to 125 raised to the power y, then x is to y is equal to how much? This is a ratio. रेशियो एक अलग चैप्टर है, इसको हम बाद में नेक्स्ट पीरियड में पढ़ने वाले हैं, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. x is to y, this can write also x by y is nothing but x is to y is equal to how much. So first of all हमें इसको बेस सेम में कन्वर्ट करना है. 5 square is nothing but 25 and 5 cube is nothing but 125. Again we are using the property here, a raised to the power m into n is nothing but a raised to the power m into n. 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 5 raised to the power 3y. बेस सेम है, इसका मतलब पावर सेम है. एंड इक्वेटिंग द इक्वेशन मतलब इज इक्वल टू है, 2x is equal to 3y, equating the power, ये हमें इंडिकेट कर रहा है ये दोनों क्वांटिटी सेम है, बेस ऑलरेडी सेम है तो पावर भी सेम ही होना चाहिए, इसीलिए हम इसको इक्वेट करेंगे। x, ये भी x यही रहने दीजिए, 2 को वो साइड लेके जाइए, y को ये साइड में लेके आइए, तो इन दोनों में 3 और y में ऑपरेशन कौन सा है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का ये कौन सी साइड में, राइट साइड में, राइट साइड से मल्टीप्लिकेशन से लेफ्ट साइड में आते हुए इट कम्स इन डिवीजन, x by y is nothing but 3, दिस इज इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ये साइड में जब राइट साइड में जाएगा तो डिवीजन में चला जाएगा, y मतलब x is to y is equal to 3 is to 2, this is the proportion. Now see here, if 3 raised to the power x plus y is equal to 81 raised to the power x minus y is equal to 3, then find the x and y. These are two different equations, two unknowns, two different equations. एक अननोन है तो एक इक्वेशन से निकाला जाएगा, लेकिन 2 अगर अननोन है तो 2 डिफरेंट इक्वेशन आएंगे, साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन से हमें उसको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा। देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, 3 raised to the power x plus y is nothing but 81, but 81 is nothing but the 3 raised to the power something. Now we want to find out what it is. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, that is 3 raised to the power 4. Now instead of 81 we can write here 3 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power x plus y is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. Now this is the equation, ये हमें इक्वल बता रहा है, दोनों साइड इक्वल है, बेस सेम है, इसका मतलब अल्टीमेटली पावर इज आल्सो सेम, x plus y is equal to 4. This is the equation number 1. Now take the second equation, 3 raised to the power 81 x minus y is equal to 3. What is 81? 3 raised to the power 4 x minus y is equal to 3 raised to the power 1. Again base is the same. If the base is same, ultimately the power is same because it indicates equal. ये दो साइड इक्वल है, अगर ये दो साइड इक्वल है तो बेस सेम है तो पावर भी सेम ही होना चाहिए। इक्वेटिंग द पावर 4 इन ब्रैकेट x minus y is equal to 1. Then ये 4 को उधर लेके जाइए, x minus y is equal to 1 by 4, इक्वेशन नंबर 2. इसके भी काफी सारे मेथड्स हैं, या तो दिस इक्वेशन को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, फिर वो ये 4 मल्टीप्लाई आ जाएगा, दोनों का एडिशन कीजिए, वो भी आसान जाएगा, ये भी आसान जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। दिस इज द वन मेथड. नाउ वी वांट टू एडिंग इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 बाय एडिंग इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2. इक्वेशन 1 क्या है, x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to 1 by 4, plus y minus y get cancelled here, 2x is equal to, now 4 plus 1 by 4 कितना आएगा, 16 plus 1 17 by 4, it is in 17 by 4. अब ये 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, उधर जाके क्या होगा, डिवीजन में, therefore x is equal to 17 divided by 8. This is value of x. Now we can put the value of x anywhere in equation 1 or 2. It doesn't matter, keep it in 1. 17 by 4 plus y is equal to 4. Substitute or put value of x in equation 1. वन इक्वेशन में अगर हम पुट करेंगे, 2 में किया तो भी चलेगा, 1 में किया तो भी चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। देन y is equal to 4 minus 17 by 4। why it is minus? ये इधर प्लस है तो राइट हैंड साइड जाते टाइम, लेफ्ट हैंड से राइट हैंड साइड जाते टाइम साइन चेंज होगा। नाउ y is equal to 16 minus 17 divided by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 4. This is the value of y. X is equal to 17 by 8 and y is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now here, if x raised to the power y is equal to y raised to the power x, then find x by y raised to the power x by y is equal to how much? Now simply we can use here property x a raised to the power m, a by b raised to the power m is nothing but a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. Now is equal to x raised to the power x by y divided by y raised to the power x by y. Now we are studying the last point of this chapter, standard form. Standard form. Express the following number in standard form. Express the following number express the following numbers in standard form. This is a very important, ये बहुत ही important chapter है फिजिक्स के लिए और सभी हायर नंबर कन्वर्ट करने के लिए। नाउ फर्स्ट इज 57400। इसको हमें स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है। जैसे मैंने लास्ट लेक्चर में बोला था, वीडियो में बताया है कि वी वांट टू सी, अभी 57400 57,400 पॉइंट यहाँ पर है, पॉइंट कहीं नहीं है, इसका मतलब पॉइंट लास्ट में है। सो वी वांट टू शिफ्ट दिस पॉइंट आफ्टर 1 डिजिट, 1 2 3 4 डिजिट के बाद हमें पॉइंट शिफ्ट करना है। इसके लिए हमें 57400 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 4 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -4। नाउ यहां से पॉइंट शिफ्ट करना है लेफ्ट के साइड में, तो लेफ्ट में क्या होता है नंबर लाइन पे, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव। इफ दिस इज द सेंटर पॉइंट, लेफ्ट साइड में कौन है नेगेटिव, देन वी वांट टू यूज नेगेटिव। लेफ्ट जाना है तो नेगेटिव, राइट जाना है तो पॉजिटिव। अभी हमें लेफ्ट जाना है, देन 5.74 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 4। दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, four 7 5 2 8। Now this is a very easy method. Again पॉइंट कहीं नहीं है, मतलब कहाँ पे है, आफ्टर लास्ट डिजिट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 एंड 10 डिजिट के बाद हमें पॉइंट शिफ्ट करना है। देन 4 7 5 2 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 10 to the power 10 10 to the power minus 10. Now point किधर जा रहा है? Left side. Then use this 4.7528 into 10 to the power 10. वेरी सिंपल एंड वेरी इजी. एक बार टेक्निक समझ में आ गई तो हम आसानी से इसको कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट थर्ड प्रॉब्लम. जीरो पॉइंट फोर्थ प्रॉब्लम 0. Now, सी है पॉइंट यहां पर है. कितने डिजिट के बाद शिफ्ट करना है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 डिजिट के बाद यहां पर हमें पॉइंट लाना है. देन डायरेक्टली into 10 to the power 7 10 to the power minus 7. क्या होगा? राइट साइड जा रहे हैं हम तो we want to use positive 1.87 into 10 to the power minus 7. Same here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 into 10 to the power 9 10 to the power minus 9. Then we are going again right side and use this right side 3.68 into 10 to the power minus 9. very easy. जब आप फिजिक्स के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं उस टाइम या केमिस्ट्री के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं एट दैट टाइम दिस इज अ वेरी useful standard form. Now express the following in usual form. Express the following in यूजुअल फॉर्म. नाउ हमें यूजुअल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. फर्स्ट वन 2.3 into 10 to the power 6. Second 0.75 into 10 to the power 7. Third 4.237 into 10 to the power minus 3. And last 0.735 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now all these terms we want to convert in usual form. First 2.3 into 10 to the power 6 is equal to 2.3 into 10 raised to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, multiplication of these two 23. 1 2 3 4 5. This is the usual form. Again, if we want to convert this in exponential or standard form या फिर साइंटिफिक फॉर्म, यहाँ पर है 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again 10 to the power 6 10 to the power minus 6. लेफ्ट साइड जाते टाइम अगेन दिस इज द आंसर वही आएगा. ऐसे इसको फिर से मैं दोबारा कन्वर्ट करके दिखाता हूँ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 into 10 to the power 6 10 to the power minus 6. पॉइंट यहाँ से लेफ्ट साइड में 6 डिजिट आएगा. 2.3 into 10 to the power 6, 7. Okay. Next one, usual form 0.75 into 10 to the power 7. 0.75 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 75. 2 खत्म हो गया. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, if you want to convert this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power minus 7. Again, use the minus 7, remaining is the 7. Same. Next one, third, 4.237 into 10 to the power minus 3. Then, digit यहाँ पर है, तो इन डिजिट लेफ्ट साइड में जाना है. 1, 2, 3. यहाँ से 1, 2, 3. 0.004 तो 0 आएगा. नहीं दिया तो भी चलता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. 2, 3, 7. दिस इज द यूजुअल फॉर्म. लास्ट वन 0.735 into 10 to the power minus 4. डिजिट यहाँ पर है, 4 डिजिट हमें लेफ्ट साइड, क्योंकि यहाँ पर माइनस है. माइनस का कहाँ रहता है नंबर लाइंस पे? 0. दिस इज द माइनस, दिस इज प्लस. नाउ 4 डिजिट यहाँ पर है. 1, 2, 3 and 7, 3, 5. This is the usual form. Now, are you got it? What is the usual form, standard form, scientific form, exponential form? Usual form जो हम यूज करते हैं हमेशा, usual form, that is 0.004389. again 2386. example 1, 2. Okay, scientific form or standard form or exponential form. It's nothing but 3 into 10 to the power 8, 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this is the example 1, this is the example 2. 10 raised to the power जो आएगा, that is the exponential, standard or scientific form. Usual form is nothing but this is the usual form. Here we are taking one problem. क्या होगा? ये फॉर्म में लेके आना है. कितने डिजिट के बाद? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power plus 6, 10 to the power minus 6. राइट साइड जा रहे हैं हम, तो इसको यूज करेंगे. 6.28 into 10 to the power minus 6 is equal to 6.28 into 10 to the power x. Here 10 to the power minus 6 is equal to 10 to the power x. Therefore, x is equal to minus 6. This is the answer. Again, this is a very simple problem. आप इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, तो वीडियो पॉज कीजिए और इसको सॉल्व करके देखिए. a raised to the power 0 is nothing but 1. Any quantity raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 into 1 into 1. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. K is equal to
3. By what number should be multiplied so that the product may be 7 by 3 raised to the power minus 1? इसको किस क्वांटिटी से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा ताकि प्रोडक्ट ये आए? अभी यहाँ पर दो मेथड्स हैं, डायरेक्टली भी सॉल्व करते हैं, कर सकते हैं, या तो फिर एक्स मान के भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। छोटे बच्चे जो है 6, 7, 8 स्टैंडर्ड के वो एक्स मान के सॉल्व करेंगे, और जो एमपीएससी यूपीएससी के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, वो डायरेक्टली भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। डायरेक्टली कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? दिस डिवाइडेड बाय दिस। हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? लेट इट बी x into 5 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 is equal to 7 by 3 raised to the power minus 1. We want to find out the value of x. So if we taking this term right side, it goes into division. X is equal to 7 by 3 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 5 by 3 raised to the power minus 2. By using the property a raised to the power a by b raised to the power m, the minus m is nothing but b by a raised to the power m. X is equal to 3 by 7 raised to the power 1 divided by 3 by 5 raised to the power 2. 3 by 7 divided by 3 square upon 5 square. डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर होता है, therefore x is equal to 3 by 7 into 25 by 9. 3 1 3, 3 3 9. X is equal to 25 by 21. This is the term. If we multiply this term to this, then answer should be 7 by 3. So friends, यहाँ पर ये चैप्टर खत्म हो जाता है। पूरा चैप्टर हमने 5 पीरियड में ले लिया है, तो इसको जितना हो सकता है उतना शेयर कीजिए। अगला चैप्टर हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन।